เคจังยังมาเยปี Spider-Man Brand New Day ติดไงนี่เดี๋ยวซาตายกิเตอร์แต่จริงเทรลเลอร์กาปีประมาณไงมุนนั่งไงให้เคยท่าเมียนการ excited คลั่งมันเด่นเมียนการรวมเพิ่มก็โดยที่เมียนคณียืงกอดโจจัดเชิญจังอันนึงคือยอมเมียนจนมาจนวนจังมันเยปีปอนจมวยนึงเทรลเลอร์นึงก็โดยที่เมียนการวิเพียมาจนวนโดยได้ยืงเฟอร์รอดองจังโอเคจังยังบ้านเมื่อเทรลเลอร์นึงโดยที่ปีใบดองได้ให้กอดบ้านเมื่อดีเทลไอ้นาได้ยังวิเพียตามใส่เฮืองได้ไปไอ้หนึ่งการล้างจังนั้นนะอย่าโดยสารแต่ยอมมาจังยัยเชิญไปไปไอ้ตัวจิกาสปอยดอบิยาวได้ยังเติมสมัยแต่การวิเพียนี้ก็ไปไอ้หนึ่งเมียนจิกาสปอยดอบิยาวได้ปันได้อย่ายังเตยแต่ยัยวิเวียได้สารแต่ยังมันไอตุกวิบานเลยอย่าบางอย่างตามการเมอร์เทรลเลอร์และขณะแบบเชิญแต่หมดแล้วยังเคยถ่ายหึงนั่นคือจับดาวต่อปีโนเวย์โฮมโดยยังเคยถ่ายพีเตอร์พาร์เกอร์บางอย่างเธอจับดาวซาลังวิงเตียงอ๋อโดยซาตายมันเนื่องมาจากว่าเธอบานพลิกกอดเอาให้จังเอาเมนาเกสกอร์กอดเต้ปะได้จิบัวสไปเดอร์แมนเกเนอร์แต่สกอร์ได้เป็นกอดท่าพีเตอร์พาร์เกอร์นั่นคือเอาเมนาเกสกอร์เต้อย่าโดยยังดังจังหาจนมาได้ยังจับบานตะโบปีขนมเทรลเลอร์นี้ยังเคยถ่ายเกบานพิจิเยี่ยมประกาศจมูกนางอาชดได้ยอจังปีขนมหึงมุนคลาก็โดยเจียยอจังปีเซมคลาก็โดยเจียยอจังปีสไปคอมิกคลาโดยยังเคยถ่ายขนมนั่นคือวิเมนหูได้มาตั้งด้วยคอมิกพาเนลโดยเจียตุ่มปอมุนขนมคอมิกจังได้เกยอมเอากิเฟอร์ตามจังโดยเจียชดได้ไว้จมูกเวลีนนั่งให้นั่งชุดบังจะบอกไอ้นั่งจะคือลอยเหมือนกันให้ชุดสไปเดอร์แมนนั่งก็ที่คอมิกอักชูเรตได้จะคือโดยคอมิกพิเศษให้นั่งไปบอลจมูกนั่งการอินสปายชุดเซมจังเพียงเซงจะชุดกระไลได้สไปเดอร์แมนคือกอดโลจังเปียกีนั่งแสดงอะแมนแสดงไปตั้งแต่โดยแต่มาดองคือจะชุดได้ละแอนดรูว์การ์ฟิลด์สไปเดอร์แมนเดอะอเมซิ่งสไปเดอร์แมนคือกอดโลจังเปียกีคือโดยชุดกระไลนั่งแต่มาดองให้นั่งสมัยแต่ชุดได้กอดเธอบันลานบอกว่า The Punisher บอกกอดนั่งนั่งกอดโดยชุดนึกน้องแอนดรูว์การ์ฟิลด์สไปเดอร์แมนได้ไปบอลจมูกนั่งชุดได้กอดบานเอาเวกทำมาโพสทำไมโดยเชี่ยวเว็บบิงออร์แกนิกนั่งได้บันจะบอกจริงบีกอดได้ให้นั่งชุดได้กอดเธอบันสลับให้พิจารณาไงนั่งคือโดยที่อยู่นั่งชุดบอกทอบีแม็กไวร์แบบแต่บอกยังเคยทาทอบีแม็กไวร์เป็นแต่กอดเธอบันเพียงคำให้กอดสลับไปกอดเงือบหลังวิ่งคือกอดตัวบันจมูกนั่งอาจทำโพสต่อนั่งอย่างนี้คือเกี่ยวอินสปายจริงเป็นชุดนั่งฉานสบายแต่ชุดได้เตยต้มจมูกนั่งรถเพลิงโดยชุดนั่งนั่งเฮืองด็อกเตอร์สเตรนจังนั่นเป็นแต่ด็อกเตอร์สเตรนเธอบันเวบานในครุ่งมิเรอร์ดิเมนชันนั่นคือกอดหดเตยต้มจมูกนั่งรถเพลิงได้จังคือเก็บบานพิเศษประกาศจมูกนั่งชุดต่างๆนั่งได้จบแบบปอนจมูกนั่งตัวอังสำคัญได้มีแบบปอนจมูกนั่งสไปเดอร์แมนโดยเฉพาะสไปเดอร์แมนครุ่งกอดตัวนั่งได้มาพิจารณาว่าเซนโดยเฉพาะแอนดรูว์การ์ฟิลด์ให้นั่งทอบีแม็กไวร์ให้นั่งก็โดยเฉพาะด็อกเตอร์สเตรนจ์ได้เฉพาะตัวอังสำคัญไว้ได้แบบปอนจมูกนั่งสไปเดอร์แมนได้ฝากเรื่องราวนั่นคือวิถีบานการล้างจังแบบปอนจมูกนั่งเปียท่า brand new day จองสำดาวติดดอกการล้างวิ่งดีกว่าการจับกำนัดล้างวิ่งระบบสไปเดอร์แมนได้เธอบานจับดาวมาไว้ล้างวิ่งแต่มันเนี่ยไอ้กดโดยซาแต่มันเรื่องจากว่าคือพลิกกอดออนลีไงสมบัติแต่มืดแพะซองซาดีก็สัตว์เงี้ยก็ก่อนเมียนได้ในขนมกำลังเป็นนึงไอ้ก็เธอบานจับดาวล้างวิ่งคือเจี๊ย brand new day นึงไอ้ได้ใส่หือมือนึงยังกดทวีนึงเพื่อเอาปะปอก็โดยเชี่ยดำนาการเติมแบบปอนจมูกนั่งเรื่องราวในชีวิตเปิดเฉินชีวิตคือแบบปอนจมูกนั่งมนุษย์ปลอกได้สนุกไว้ปันนึงคือประกอบเจี๊ยเมื่อเรื่องนึงคือเรื่องแต่โจได้มาลองโดยซาแต่เอาวิไอ้นึงจบแบบปอนจมูกนั่งเนี่ยได้กอดมีสถานภาพแบบสไปเดอร์แมนนึงนะเวทอัดมีสัตว์เงียบรู้เนื้อมันเนี่ยไอ้อัดมีลุยชายเทียดให้คอมพังห่อลุยคอมพังตัวอย่างนับบงปิงตัวในตีบอกคุณนายบานอดิจิตัวในตีเจี๊ยสไปเดอร์แมนพองมนุษย์ธรรมดาคอมพังห่อลุยจะจำชีวิตจีแหลกขนาดแบบธรรมดานังพองเวียโดยเจี๊ยชีวิตตัวเตอบอกมนุษย์เยอะแบบท่ามีแต่หนัวคอเตยจีประจำทั้งไงจีประจำครูนอะไรอย่างเตยยังนี่คือยองกระทาบีหนึ่งเตยจมูกหนึ่งอยู่บวายจานเฮยก่อนแต่เจนเจอร์สไปเดอร์แมนบอกเลี้ยมเคยทากาคอมตรอกโดยจะกวาดรุมเลิงแฟนสไปเดอร์แมนปีจนนนาจนนในอ้อยมอมาดองที่จังในเปได้แล้วเคยเทรลเลอร์ในเฮืองนี่ตะบงโอเคจังอันนี้วีคือจีสโนว์ในสายเฮืองทวีนำนาการวีนึงอิมแพคเตอร์ระเบียบนะตอนที่ยังยาวปีจะนดมันจะนวดได้ยังมันเคยในขนมเทรลเลอร์นี่ดาวจะนดกลัวจับบารมจริงเก้คือแบบปอนจมูกในการบ่มรายบ่มโรเรียงกายระบบสไปเดอร์แมนบาจีนึงเธอจูบหายกายไอ้มวยในขนมเฮืองนี้แต่ฝ่ายก่อนนั่นคือบ่มลาย DNA มียูเทจังกันนะนั่งบ่มลายเตยเชีย DNA ไฟมิวเทสได้อนุญาตไอ้ก่อนนั่งผลัดเว็บโปรแกรมในนั่งโดยเฉพาะทบีแม็กไวร์มันจังยังพาจีกอดเธอบานจูบหายกายไอ้มวยหายกายได้เธอบานปิงเปียงคำมาดองเตี้ยหรือก็อย่างนะหรือก็อันนั้นวิจีดำหนักการทำไมมวยเตี้ยในการวิวัฒน์ใน DNA บอกกอดคอยปีปิงเปียงคำพุทธะในขนมใส่เฮืองบ่อสไปเดอร์แมนยังเคยทาทอมฮอลแลนด์พีเตอร์พาร์เกอร์ในขนมจากบอลMCUยังอันบานเคยใส่เฮืองออริจินบอกกอดถ้ากอดจริงมาปีนาเต้ถ้ากอดเธอบานปิงเปียงมวยหน้าคำก็ยังอัดเคยเต้ก็ยังขวัญตะดังทางเป็นแต่กอดจริงมากกอดคือจีสไปเดอร์แมนแต่รองให้กอดขวัญแต่ใหญ่แบบแต่กอดเธอบานปิงเปียงคำยังแต่ปัญญาดังทางปิงเปียงนั่งวีคือจีปิงเปียงบอกเพชรไอปูไอเมียน DNA ระเบียบไม่เต้วีคอปีทบีแม็กไวร์ก็โดยจีแอนดรูว์การ์ฟิลด์โดยแอนดรูว์การ์ฟิลด์นั่งทบีแม็กไวร์ยังดังแต่รองถ้ากอดเธอบานปิงเปียงคำปิงเปียงไอจังนั้นนะ វាជាពីពីមួយជួសកម្មប្រភេទអីយ៉ាងទៅប៉ុន្តែចំពោះ Tom Holland គឺយើងអត់ដឹងទេអញ្ចឹងវាអាចថា Tom Holland គឺមានលក្ខណៈពិសេសជាងគេអីយ៉ាងទៅពីពីរបស់គាត់ដែលអាចឲ្យគាត់ធ្វើការ mutate ឬក៏ DNA របស់គាត់នឹងគឺវានឹងវិវត្តម្ដងទៀតដែលធ្វើឲ្យគាត់ទទួលបានជាមួយនឹងសមត្ថភាពកោសិការបស់គាត់អាចផលិតសូត្រពីពីបានតែម្ដងឬក៏និយាយមួយម៉ាត់ទៀតគឺអាចថាគាត់ហាក់ដូចជាពីពីមែនតែអញ្ចឹងហើយក្នុងនោះគឺគេមាន fan theory មួយផងដែរដោយអានេះគេផុសតាមបណ្ដាញសង្គមខ្ញុំឃើញដូចជា Twitter ទាំងឯងហ្នឹងខ្ញុំធ្លាប់ឮគេថា Peter អាចបាញ់សបកចេញពីកដៃបាត់ដោយសារតែគាត់ក្រខ្លាំងពេកដាច់យ៉ៃអញ្ចឹងណាអត់មានលុយទិញសារធាតុគីមីដើម្បីយកមកធ្វើជាសូត្រពីពីបាញ់ជាលក្ខណៈឧបករណ៍របស់គាត់ហ្នឹងទេ web shooter របស់គាត់ទេអញ្ចឹងហើយដោយសារតែអត់មានលុយទិញអាហ្នឹងអញ្ចឹងរាងកាយរបស់គាត់គឺត្រូវបានវិវត្ត evolve ដែលធ្វើឲ្យគាត់បាញ់ចេញសបកពីខ្លួនតែម្ដងដើម្បីកុំឲ្យពិបាករលុយទិញធាតុគីមីទាំងអស់ហ្នឹងមកវាអាចទៅរួចឬក៏យ៉ាងណាប៉ុន្តែយើងមានចាំមើលចំណុចមួយហ្នឹងវាក៏បាន lead ចូលទៅដល់ theory មួយទៀតផងដែរដោយសារតែមាន theory មួយចំនួនគឺគេបាននិយាយថា Peter Parker ហ្នឹងគាត់មិនមែនត្រឹមតែ evolve ទទួលបានសមត្ថភាពថ្មីមិនមែនត្រឹមតែជា organic web being ហ្នឹងទេគឺគាត់អាចនឹងវិវត្តទៅជាចំណុចមួយទៀតដែលគួរឲ្យខ្លាចដល់ចំណុចមួយហ្នឹងគឺគេសន្និដ្ឋានទៅលើគេហៅថា Man Spider ដោយតួអង្គ Man Spider ហ្នឹងគឺគាត់ជាតួអង្គពីងពាងកាត់មនុស្សគេថា Spider-Man គាត់គឺជាមនុស្សប៉ុន្តែគាត់មាន DNA ជាសត្វពីងពាងនៅក្នុងហ្នឹងបើនេះថាសារជាតិជាមនុស្សរបស់គាត់គឺវាមានច្រើនជាងសារជាតិរបស់ពីងពាងប៉ុន្តែនៅពេលដែល Man Spider គឺជាពីងពាងដែលមានសារជាតិមនុស្សតិចៗគឺបានន័យថាសារជាតិពីងពាងរបស់គាត់គឺវាច្រើនជាងសារជាតិមនុស្សនៅក្នុងខ្លួនអញ្ចឹង theory មួយហ្នឹងគេក៏បាននិយាយថា Peter គឺនឹងអាចវិវត្តទៅដល់ចំណុចមួយហ្នឹងដែលគាត់អាចក្លាយទៅជា Man Spider នៅក្នុងលក្ខខណ្ឌណាមួយនៅក្នុងរឿងហ្នឹងដែល Man Spider ហ្នឹងអ្នកគ្នាអាចចូលទៅ check មើល comic បានឬក៏ check មើល internet បានគឺមានរូបរាងគួរឲ្យខ្លាចមែនទែនដែលមានដៃ6ហើយមានចង្កូមមានអីទៅគឺគួរឲ្យខ្លាចមែនទែនហើយវាក៏បូកផ្សំជាមួយនឹងឈុតម៉ាន់តិចដែលត្រូវបានគេបង្ហាញនៅក្នុង trailer ហ្នឹងផងដែរឈុតដែលយើងឃើញថា Peter Parker គឺគាត់មានភ្នែកពណ៌ក្រហមតែម្ដងដែលភ្នែកហ្នឹងមិនដឹងថាកើតឡើងដោយសារអីទេមិនដឹងថាខ្លួនទៅជា Man Spider ឬក៏ទៅជាយ៉ាងណាប៉ុន្តែក៏គេមាន theory មួយចំនួនថាកន្លែងហ្នឹងអាចជា Man Spider ឬក៏អាចជាវត្តមាននៃ Venom អាចនឹង symbiote បានចូលខ្លួន Peter Parker កន្លែងហ្នឹងក៏បានប្រែខ្លួនគាត់ទៅជា Venom អីយ៉ាងទៅអាហ្នឹង theory ផ្សេងមួយទៀតដែលវាអាចនឹងទៅរួចដូចគ្នាអូខេអានេះវាជាចំណុចទី1ដែលយើងសង្កេតឃើញថាវាគឺជាការផ្លាស់ប្ដូរដ៏ធំរបស់ Peter Parker របស់យើងនៅក្នុងរឿងនេះហើយនៅចំណុចទី2វាបានជាមួយនឹង Villain ដល់ក្នុងនេះយើងបានឃើញថាគេបានបញ្ចូល Villain យ៉ាងច្រើនគួរសមដែរដោយយើងឃើញច្បាស់ជាងគេមាន Scorpion Boomerang មានអាប៉ែមនុស្សដែល load វាយ Peter Parker កន្លែងចឹងនោះខ្ញុំភ្លេចឈ្មោះដែរឈ្មោះអាប៉ែនោះបើអានពេកហើយនឹងឃើញមានពួក The Hand គឺជាក្រុមហាក់ដូចជាអង្គការមួយឬក៏ក្រុមភេរវកម្មមួយអញ្ចឹងអ្នកដែលធ្លាប់មើលរឿង Daredevil គឺដឹងហើយថាពួក The Hand ហ្នឹងគឺវាមិនវាធ្វើការជាបណ្ដាញអីចឹងណាហើយក្នុងនេះយើងឃើញថាពួកហ្នឹងគឺមានមួយក្រុមដែលពាក់ខោអាវជាទម្រង់ Ninja ពណ៌ក្រហមហើយកាន់ដាវ Samurai វាគឺជាចំណុចដែលប្លែកមួយទៀតនៅពេលដែលយើងឃើញថា Spider-Man ទៅវាយគ្នាជាមួយនឹងពួក Samurai ដោយសារតែកន្លងមកយើងអាចឃើញ Spider-Man វាយគ្នាជាមួយពួក Samurai ទេเราឃើញតែវាយគ្នាជាមួយនឹង Villain បែបបច្ចេកវិទ្យាដូចជាអីគេ Mysterio Vulture អីចឹងណាប៉ុន្តែក្នុងនេះគឺវាយជាមួយនឹងពួក Samurai ម្ដងអញ្ចឹងវាអាចនឹងបង្កើតទៅជាចំណីចក្ខុប្លែកមួយទៀតឬក៏យើងអាចឃើញ Peter Parker បញ្ចេញក្បាច់គុណ Samurai នៅក្នុងរឿងហ្នឹងក៏មិនដឹងដែរហើយក៏ឃើញថាសបកពីងថ្មីរបស់ Spider-Man គឺខ្លាំងមែនទែនដែលអាចកាច់បបាក់ដាវពួក Samurai នឹងបានយ៉ាងផុយតែម្ដងហើយនឹងតួអង្គ Villain Scorpion គឺយើងបានដឹងហើយដោយសារតែតួអង្គនោះគឺគេបានបង្ហើបតាំងពីរឿង Spider-Man Homecoming ម៉េះតួអង្គ Scorpion ហ្នឹងដូចជាមិនមានអីគួរចាប់អារម្មណ៍ច្រើនដែរតួអង្គអាប៉ែហ្នឹងហាក់ដូចជាវាតួអង្គគេដាក់ឲ្យមាននៅក្នុងរឿងហ្នឹងអញ្ចឹងណាព្រោះថាអាប៉ែហ្នឹងក៏វាមិនសូវខ្លាំងឯណាដែរវាគ្រាន់តែវាមានបច្ចេកវិទ្យាមានឈុតដែលបញ្ចេញពឹសបញ្ចេញអីដូចជាខ្យល់រំលែកអញ្ចឹងគឺ Scorpion ហ្នឹងឯងហើយនឹងមួយទៀតគឺវាបានជាមួយនឹង Boomerang អាប៉ែ Boomerang ហ្នឹងក៏អត់មានអីអស្ចារ្យដែរវាគ្រាន់តែចេះគប់ Boomerang តែប៉ុណ្្នឹងហើយយើងឃើញមួយឈុតនៅពេលដែល Spider-Man load ហ្នឹងគឺអាប៉ែហ្នឹងបាញ់ពីក្រោយហ្នឹងឯងហើយនឹងអាប៉ែមួយទៀតក៏អត់មានអីគួរចាប់អារម្មណ៍ដែរអាប៉ែមានពីជើងកបិតហ្នឹងគឺប្រហែលជាគ្រាន់តែជា villain ដែលគេដាក់មកសម្រាប់កំសាន្តអារម្មណ៍ឬក៏សម្រាប់ជាមហូបក្លែមឲ្យ Hero វាយគ្នាតែប៉ុណ្្នឹងទេអូខេហើយនឹងតួអង្គមួយទៀតគឺជាតួអង្គ The Punisher ក្នុងជំនួយយើងឃើញថា The Punisher ក៏ដូចជា Spider-Man ហ្នឹងគឺហាក់ដូចជាទៅដើមគ្នាបំពេញតួនាទីអីមួយអញ្ចឹងណាដោយឃើញថា Spider-Man កំពុងតែហោះកំពុងតែ swing web របស់គាត់ហ្នឹងគឺជុំវិញអាគារដើម្បីដេញចាប់ឡានអីមួយដែលឡានហ្នឹងបើជាឡានភេរវករឬក៏ឡានចោលអីចឹងទៅហើយក្នុងនោះក៏យើងឃើញថា The Punisher ក៏បានដេញដែរប៉ុន្តែដោយសារតែពេលហ្នឹងប្រហែលជាកង់គ្នាឬក៏ប្រឆាំងគ្នាអញ្ចឹងទៅទៅដើមទូនាទីគ្នាអញ្ចឹងទៅ Spider-Man ក៏ទៅបញ្ឈប់ The Punisher ហ្នឹងហើយ The Punisher ហ្នឹងក៏វាទៅបាញ់ Spider-Man ហើយកន្លែងហ្នឹងខ្ញុំចាប់អារម្មណ៍ចំណុចមួយថានៅពេលដែល Spider-Man បាញ់សបករបស់គាត់ទៅជាប់កណ្ដុងកំភ្លើង The Punisher បាញ់មកគាត់ផុង Spider-Man គឺប៉ើងប្រហែលម៉ែត្រទៅក្រោយប៉ុន្តែឈុតបន្ទាប់ទៀតយើងឃើញថា Spider-Man គឺអាចយកឈ្នះ The Punisher បានអញ្ចឹងមានន័យថាក្នុងរឿងហ្នឹង Spider-Man យើងគឺស្បែកតាន់មែនទែនដែលអាចទប់ក្រោកកំភ្លើងបានដែលអត់មានរបួសអីឬក៏ខោអាវរបស់គាត់តាន់អាហ្នឹងអត់ដឹងដូចគ្នាហ ក្នុងនោះគេក៏បានបង្ហាញមក Bruce Banner បន្តិចផងដែរខ្ញុំឆ្ងល់មួយថានៅក្នុង End Game យើងឃើញថា Bruce Banner ក៏បានប្រែខ្លួនទៅជា Smart Hulk បាត់ហើយប៉ុន្តែក្នុងនេះគឺគាត់បានប្រែខ្លួនទៅជា Bruce Banner វិញអានឹងមូលហេតុអីគេគាត់អាចធ្វើអញ្ចឹងបានឬក៏របៀបម៉េចឬក៏ខ្ញុំភ្លេចកន្លែងណាដោយសារតែគេបានបញ្ជាក់ព្រោះតែយើងធ្លាប់ឃើញម្ដងដែរនៅក្នុងរឿង She-Hulk ឃើញឈុតដំបូងហ្នឹងគាត់បានคล้ายខ្លួនទៅជា Bruce Banner ម្ដងដែរប៉ុន្តែអត់ដឹងដែរប្រហែលជាខ្ញុំ miss កន្លែងណាមួយនៅត្រង់ចំណុចហ្នឹងអូខេហើយនឹងមួយទៀតគឺពាក់ព័ន្ធជាមួយនឹងសាច់រឿងរបស់ Jean Grey ដល់ក្នុងនេះក៏គេបានបង្ហាញតួអង្គ Jean Grey ផងដែរដែលប្រហែលជាដើរតួដោយ Sadie Sink ហើយយើងឃើញថា Jean Grey ក្នុងនេះគឺគាត់អត់បង្ហាញមុខពេញតែម្ដងទេប៉ុន្តែយើងបានឃើញពាក់ព័ន្ធជាមួយនឹង power របស់គាត់ដែលអាចធ្វើការហាក់ដូចជាសណ្ដំចិត្តមនុស្សឬក៏ហាក់ដូចជាគាត់ចូលសន្ធិដ្ឋក្នុងខ្លួនមនុស្សបានអញ្ចឹងដូចគាត់ដកព្រលឹងរបស់គាត់ដូចយើងឃើញឈុតនៅពេលដែល Spider-Man គាត់ចូលទៅជួយមនុស្សស្រីចំណាស់ម្នាក់ឈុតហ្នឹងប្រហែលជាឈុតតពីដល់ពេលគាត់ដេញគ្នាជាមួយនឹង The Punisher ហ្នឹងប្រហែលជាឈុតតគ្នាហ្នឹងពេលគាត់បើកទ្វារទៅគាត់ឃើញថាមានមនុស្សស្រីចំណាស់ម្នាក់ចាតែបន្តិចទៅដកព្រលឹងរបស់គាត់ចូលទៅកាន់អពៈខាងអង្គភាពឬក៏ខាងសមត្ថកិច្ចខាងបលិអីហ្នឹងហើយក៏បានដកព្រលឹងរបស់គាត់ចូលទៅកន្លែងមកតង់ទៀតអញ្ចឹងគឺបានន័យថានៅក្នុងកន្លែងហ្នឹង Peter Parker ជាមួយនឹង The Punisher គាត់បានដេញចាប់អាឡានមួយហ្នឹងគឺបានន័យថាក្នុងឡានហ្នឹងគឺបានផ្ទុកជាមួយនឹងបុគ្គលសំខាន់អ្វីមួយឬក៏របស់សំខាន់អ្វីមួយឬក៏ជាសមាជិក X-Men ហ្នឹងឯងពួក Mutant ដែលមានសមត្ថភាពពិសេសអីចឹងទៅបានដាក់ក្នុងឡានហ្នឹងអញ្ចឹងទើបធ្វើឲ្យមានការតាមចាប់ខ្លួនឬក៏មានការរំដោះអីទៅដែលធ្វើឲ្យ Spider-Man ក៏ដូចជា The Punisher ហ្នឹងគឺត្រូវការដេញចាប់ហើយក្រោយមកទៀតក៏យើងបានឃើញថាក្នុងហ្នឹងតែប៉ុន្តែគឺជា Jean Grey ឬក៏ធម្មពលរបស់ Jean Grey គឺត្រូវបានផ្លាស់ប្ដូរចេញមកអីចឹងណាធម្មពលរបស់គាត់គឺដូចជាស្តៀងគ្នាជាមួយ Professor X ដែរដែលគាត់អាចបញ្ជាគេឬក៏អាចដកព្រលឹងខ្លួនឯងចេញទៅមកអីចឹងណាគឺវាអាចនឹងទៅហួយក្រែនក៏ដែរហើយនឹងសាច់រឿងបន្តទៀតវាអាចនឹងពាក់ព័ន្ធជាមួយនឹងសាច់រឿងស្នេហារបស់ Peter ដែរក្នុងនោះគេបានបង្ហាញឈុត MJ បន្តិចដែរឃើញថាហាក់ដូចជា MJ ហ្នឹងគឺគាត់មានសង្សារថ្មីរួចទៅហើយបើសិនជាអញ្ចឹងមែនវាទៅជាមិនគេអាចនឹង introduce តួអង្គ Gwen Stacy ឬក៏គេអាចនឹង introduce តួអង្គ MJ មួយទៀតដែលជា Mary Jane ពិតប្រាកដដោយសារតែ MJ ក្នុងនេះគឺមិនមែន Mary Jane ទេគឺ Michael Jones ប៉ុន្តែក្នុង comic គឺ Mary Jane តាមការសន្និដ្ឋានមួយចំនួនគឺគេនិយាយថាអាចនឹងមានតួអង្គ MJ ថ្មីដែលជា Mary Jane ហ្នឹងដែលជាគូស្នេហ៍ថ្មីរបស់ Peter Parker ឬក៏ Gwen Stacy អាចនឹងបង្ហាញមុខនៅក្នុងរឿងហ្នឹងព្រោះថាយើងឃើញថា Peter ក្នុងនេះគឺ sad មែនតើវាថាជីវិតរបស់គាត់គឺតោកយ៉ាក់ខ្លាំងមែនតើសូម្បីតែឈុត Spider-Man របស់គាត់ហ្នឹងគឺមានតែមក play ឲ្យគាត់បានន័យថានៅពេលដែលគាត់ត្រូវការបោកឈុតអីហ្នឹងគឺគាត់ត្រូវអង្គុយចាំឲ្យឈុតហ្នឹងដើម្បីបោករួចទើបមានឈុត Spider-Man ពាក់ដើម្បីទៅវាយគ្នាតទៀតគឺបានន័យថាគាត់អត់មានឈុតដើម្បីផ្លាស់ប្ដូរវាទេគឺមានតែមួយគត់ឈុតរបស់គាត់ហ្នឹងចឹងទៅគឺតោកយ៉ាក់ខ្លាំងមែនទែនហើយនឹងមួយទៀតគឺជា theory សុទ្ធសាធតែម្ដងដោយមាន theory ខ្លះគឺគេបាននិយាយថានៅក្នុងរឿង Spider-Man ហ្នឹងគឺអាចនឹងមានតួអង្គ Spider-Man ដែលមកពីចក្រវាឡផ្សេងដែរដែលអាចចូលរួមជាមួយនឹងរឿងនេះដែរវាដូចជាសាច់រឿងរបស់ No Way Home អញ្ចឹងណាវាអាចអញ្ចឹងដែរដោយសារតែយើងមើលទៅកាន់របៀបកាត់តក៏ដូចជាឈុតមួយចំនួននៅក្នុងរឿងហ្នឹងដូចជាឈុតដែល Peter យើង Spider-Man បើយើងនឹងគាត់លោតទៅវាយគ្នាមកពួតទៅ hand តែម្នាក់ឯងឈុតកន្លែងហ្នឹងគេសង្កេតឃើញថាវាហាក់ដូចជាចន្លោះរៀងធំគេកំណត់ថាកន្លែងចន្លោះធំហ្នឹងគឺអាចនឹងមាន Spider-Man ផ្សេងទៀតតួអង្គដែលមកពីចក្រវាឡផ្សេងដែលអាចថា Tobey Maguire ឬក៏ Andrew Garfield មកវិញឬក៏តួអង្គ Spider-Man ផ្សេងទៀតដូចជា Spider-Man Noir ឬក៏ Miles Morales អីចឹងទៅអានឹងជាការសន្និដ្ឋានណាប៉ុន្តែចំពោះខ្ញុំគាត់ថាប្រហែលជាមិនអញ្ចឹងទេព្រោះថាខ្ញុំគាត់ថាគេមិនអាចធ្វើសាច់រឿងអញ្ចឹងដដែលទេបើមិនធ្វើអញ្ចឹងដដែលគឺវាដដែលវាអត់មានអីថ្មីគេប្រហែលជាអាចនឹង introduce តួអង្គ superhero អីផ្សេងទៀតនៅក្នុងកន្លែងហ្នឹងអាចថាមិនមែនជា Spider-Man ទេប៉ុន្តែគឺជាតួអង្គ superhero ផ្សេងក្រៅពី Spider-Man អាចនឹងមាន The Punisher ជាមួយនឹង Daredevil ដោយសារតែក្នុងនោះយើងឃើញថា The Punisher គឺគេបានបង្ហាញមុខប៉ុន្តែចំពោះ Daredevil គឺគេអត់បានបង្ហាញមុខទេប៉ុន្តែយើងបានឃើញថានៅក្នុងនោះគឺមាន villain ដែលជាពួក The Hand ហ្នឹងមានសាច់រឿងដែលពាក់ព័ន្ធជាមួយនឹង Daredevil ដែរក៏ដូចជាយើងស្គាល់ដំបូងនៅក្នុងរឿង Iron Fist អ្នកដែលធ្លាប់មើលរឿង Iron Fist ហ្នឹងអញ្ចឹងគឺអាចនឹងមាន Daredevil ជាមួយនឹង The Punisher អានេះតាមការសន្និដ្ឋានរបស់ខ្ញុំណាព្រោះថាក្នុងមុនក៏យើងបានឃើញថា Daredevil ដែលជា Matt Murdock ហ្នឹងគាត់ក៏បានធ្វើជា មេធាវីដើម្បីដោះស្រាយក្តីឲ្យ Spider-Man ដែរអញ្ចឹងអាចថាក្នុងនេះគឺគាត់នឹងមកវិញម្ដងទៀតឬក៏យ៉ាងណាវាអាចនឹងទៅរួចដូចគ្នាអូខេអញ្ចឹងមួយទៀតហ្នឹងគឺពាក់ព័ន្ធជាមួយនឹងសាច់រឿងបន្តដោយសារតែសាច់រឿង Spider-Man នេះគឺវាកាត់ឡើងមុន Avenger Doomsday អញ្ចឹងប្រហែលជាគេអាចនឹង set up ដើម្បីឲ្យតួអង្គហ្នឹងគឺអាចនឹងចូលទៅកាន់ Avenger Doomsday ដោយវិធីណាមួយឬក៏សាច់រឿងហ្នឹងគឺវាកើតឡើងបន្តគ្នាឬក៏ក្នុងកំឡុងពេល Avengers Doomsday តែម្ដងឬក៏នៅពេលដែល តែសាច់រឿងនឹងចប់តសាច់រឿងចូល Avengers Doomsday តែម្ដងដែរអាចនឹងមានព្រឹត្តិការណ៍បើកចក្រវាល Doctor Doom ឬក៏ក្រុម Avengers ក៏ដូចជា Spider-Man អីហ្នឹងត្រូវទៅរួបរวมគ្នាដើម្បីប៉ះគ្នាជាមួយនឹង Doctor Doom ផងដែរហើយនឹងចំពោះ villain ធំនៅក្នុងរឿងនេះខ្ញុំគិតថាមិនមែនជា villain ដែលគេបានបង្ហាញនៅក្នុងសាច់រឿងដែលមានដូចជា Scorpion មានដូចជា Boomerang ឬក៏ The Hand ហ្នឹងទេ villain ធំក្នុងនេះអាចជាតួអង្គផ្សេងឬក៏អាចជាតួអង្គ Peter Parker ខ្លួនឯងផ្ទាល់នឹងក៏អាចថាបានដែរអូខេអញ្ចឹងគឺមានតែប៉ុណ្្នឹងទេអានឹងវាគឺជាការវិភាគលើករបស់ខ្ញុំទៅលើ trailer Spider-Man Brand New Day ដែលមកដល់នៅក្នុងខែ7 July អញ្ចឹងយើងមានចាំមើលដល់គ្នាឬក៏អ្នកគ្នាមានមតិយោបល់អីបន្ថែមទៀតអាច comment នៅខាងក្រោមនឹងបានហើយបើសិនជាចូលចិត្តកុំភ្លេចចុច like subscribe ដូចជា share ផងហើយអ្នកចូលថ្មីកុំភ្លេចជួយ subscribe ផងដើម្បីឲ្យខ្ញុំមកមានកម្លាំងចិត្តធ្វើនៅវីដេអូបន្តទៅមុខទៀតព្រោះថាវីដេអូនេះគឺខ្ញុំធ្វើអត់មានបានចំណូលអីទេនឹងថ្ងៃខ្ញុំគ្រាន់តែធ្វើសម្រាប់ជាការកំសាន្តដូចជាចែកម្លែកទៅកាន់គ្នាយើងដែលជាអ្នកចូលចិត្តមើលរឿងតែប៉ុណ្្នឹងទេអូខេអញ្ចឹងយ៉ាមានប៉ុណ្្នឹងទេយើងជួបគ្នាទៀតនៅវីដេអូក្រោយ